Welcome back to part 2 of debunking the myth surrounding sales copy. And this myth is that long-form content is dull and unengaging, and that shorter, snappier messages are more effective. But this just isn't true. So going back to number 4, SEO and authority building. From an SEO perspective, long-form copy can be quite advantageous. Search engines tend to favor content that provides comprehensive information on a topic. By offering substantial value, you can enhance your website's authority and ranking, ultimately attracting more organic traffic to your business. And by doing so, this leads us to point number 5, building trust and expertise. Long copy will establish you as an authority in your industry. When you provide valuable, informative content, your audience recognizes you as a trustworthy source. And this trust can lead to long-term relationships, customer loyalty, and word-of-mouth referrals. Therefore, it's not about the length of your copy, rather the quality of your message. Regardless if it's short or long, your sales copy has to resonate with your audience, be clear in its intent, and provide value. Long-form copy is a powerful tool that, when used strategically, can unlock remarkable results, driving conversions and cultivating lasting connections with your customers. Therefore, embrace long-form copy and use it as a canvas to express your brand story, address customer concerns, and educate your audience about your offerings. Tailor your content to provide value, and watch as it enhances your brand authority, boosts SEO, and builds trust among your customers. The key lies in striking the perfect balance and crafting compelling copy that leaves a lasting impact. If this content resonates with you and you want to get more content like this is a sneak peek actually of what will be waiting for you when we open the She Inherited Founder Academy. For more details, DM me or comment founder to unlock more details.